Imagine a world where even someone who's been blind their entire life could see again. That's exactly what Neuralink's latest brain chip called Blindsight is aiming to do. Neuralink's founder, Elon Musk, recently revealed that Blindsight could restore vision even for those who've lost their eyes and optic nerves. How? By bypassing the damaged visual pathways entirely and directly stimulating the brain's visual cortex. Blindsight works by implanting ultra-thin electrodes into the brain. These electrodes, thinner than a human hair, are placed in the visual cortex, the area of your brain responsible for processing what you see. Instead of relying on the eyes, the chip sends visual data straight to the brain. Neuralink's plan is to use external cameras to capture images, process them, and convert the data into brain signals. This way, the brain receives and decodes these signals, allowing the person to see without using their eyes. And here's where it gets even more groundbreaking. Neuralink is aiming for up to 32,000 electrodes to be implanted across both sides of the brain's visual cortex. This would create a visual field made up of thousands of tiny pixels of light, essentially reconstructing sight from scratch. Now, this is still in development, but the possibilities are endless. Imagine restoring vision for someone who has lived their entire life in the dark, turning the lights back on after decades. This builds on Neuralink's previous success in the PRIME study, where they've already implanted chips to help paralyzed patients control computers using their thoughts. These patients are already playing video games like Civilization 6 with their minds. So, what do you think? Is Blindsight the future of vision restoration, or are we taking too big a leap with brain chips? Let me know in the comments.